Assalamualaikum viewers, the train is traveling towards Lahore from Faisalabad. You are watching the way, the speed of the driver. The train is late 6 hours due to the engine disorder and constant fog. Too much fog was observed during the morning. Everything was disappeared. It looked that the things were beside the fog, but actually the things were present, but they were disappeared due to the apparent fog. So the driver waited for 2 to 2.5 hours so that the fog will go, but actually that was the constant fog. व्यूअर्स, ट्रेन कराकोरम इस टाइम पे लाहौर जा रही है, फैसलाबाद से निकल चुकी है। आप रास्ता देख रहे हैं, हवा का काफ़ी प्रेशर है। देयर इज टू मच एयर प्रेशर हियर। आई ओपन द विंडो फॉर कैचिंग द वीडियो एंड माई टास्क इज टू प्रोवाइड द लाइव वीडियो, the traveling from Faisalabad to Lahore. And you are watching here all the scenes which I am showing you live. I heard about the Karakoram that it's a speedy train, and sorry viewers, due to the constant horn I was unable to speak. The Karakoram actually takes the passenger at time and it reaches its destination on time. But today there was a bad luck. There was a bad luck that there was a constant fog, and due to engine disorder it is unable to reach the destination at time. We are late 6 hours. And one passenger was sitting in this train and she wanted to go to India and she booked her ticket, but she was too much worried about that she was not reaching at that time as she was supposed to reach, and she was crying till morning. And I was worried about her as well, that how she will reach her destination. And viewers, as you are listening the horn, the constant horns of the driver, now I think the driver is also thinking that he is really too much late. Actually the limit is crossed. I am too much tired. I just want to reach my destination at my earliest, and still I am thinking that I need some urgent thing like wings. I need wings to fly to my destination. Really, I am too much tired, viewers. Now you are listening and you are observing that the speed of the train is now coming to the low point. It's again, I think, going to stay, and I'm worried about that it will stay and it will take so many minutes. Still I am wanting to reach my destination, and please, you are supposed to pray for all of us to reach our destination at our earliest, as all the passengers are too much tired. Still now you are observing the speed It's again coming to the low. I don't know why again the driver is going to stay. I think might be there is again the azan is going on. Namaz-e-Asr is going on. Again the train is going to stop. Might be there's any reason behind this. Might be some junction is coming. You are listening Azan-e-Asr here. Still again, alhamdulillah, the speed of train is going to be high, and I think the driver wants to reach the Lahore at its earliest, and this is Chak Jhamra junction. This is viewers, that was Chak Jhamra junction, and now again the train is on its speed that is high comparatively to the previous speed, and I hope the best that the driver wants to reach the destination at its earliest, and I think the driver is also tired. Now again I am praying that I have to go to Lahore because there is one more step that after reaching the station I have to hire some Uber type or auto to reach my destination. Still there is one more step left to reach my home. And actually viewers, I went to Karachi from Lahore few days back, and now today but I want to say that yesterday I started traveling from Karachi to Lahore, but now I am thinking that I have to go to Karachi I think after 2 to 3 years, as I am too much tired that I just hate the traveling now. This was too much painful traveling in my life. It's not easy to travel from Lahore to Karachi or Karachi to Lahore. Too much patience is required. The cooperation of the passengers among each other is too much important. If they will not cooperate with each other, then the destination will be felt that it is too much at the most distant place, and the destination will become painful without cooperation of the passengers among each other. So this is the lesson in this video as well, that the passengers must be cooperated with each other. They have to, as you all know, that there are 6 seats, or you can say 6 berths here. The middle one, front and back, they have increased, and that causes a lot of trouble, because if the passenger will not cooperate with each other, then this is too much painful traveling. So for most the passengers, The middle berth causes a lot of trouble for those passengers who are cooperative with each other and who wants to provide a comfortable environment to each other. For those passengers, the middle berth creates a lot of trouble. So the authorities of the railway must think about it, because everyone is not cooperative with everyone. As you all know that 5 fingers are not equal. Especially for the long journey from Lahore to Karachi or Karachi to Lahore, the middle berth creates a painful situation because majorities of the passengers do not cooperate with each other. And due to the reason, the long journey becomes more painful.